Hello and happy Monday. Does everybody have like a cup of coffee? I haven't been able to finish my coffee just because there's been so much news that came out this morning that nobody anticipated, even as recent as Friday. So this morning we were supposed to have the fiscal economic statement read in the House, and instead what we got on social media was a resignation by Chrystia Freeland. And at the same time, there was a press conference by Sean Fraser, who is the Minister of Infrastructure and Housing. So two very important people resigned today in the Liberal Party on a federal level. And it seems to me like Ottawa is in a fizzy at the moment. And that brings us to a total of 9 MPs that have resigned. So some interesting things are happening. All this while Justin Trudeau is talking to Mark Carney. Lots of drama. So if you haven't picked up, any new dramas lately, because, Chrystia Freeland had suggested that we cut our Disney and all this, there's a vibe session. Well, let me tell you, there's a lot of drama. You can pick up politics if you're going to be bored over the next several months, because there's lots of that going on. But the thing is that all of this, while it just sounds like, while I'm making fun that it sounds like drama and stuff like that, this actually will have an impact on the economy and how things are going, because we're not being told a bunch of things. So today is when the economic statement was supposed to be delivered. It's already been delayed by a long period of time, and tomorrow the House closes. So when is this going to be delivered? It's a problem. And the other problem is that we were told that we weren't going to be printing any more money, but now we're being told that promises are going to be broken. So we're not going to know the extent of our promises being broken in a financial statement that's not being delivered to us. So this is going to have an impact, because it means that when people are distracted with other things, nobody's going to be paying attention to this. So we can listen to headline news, but it will be having an impact. And it'll be very interesting. I'll be trying to pay attention in the new year as to what happens with this and continue to try to deliver this news. But I do have some concerns because I think that the Bank of Canada is also in a little bit of panic mode, because if they're going to be breaking promises, that means that we're going to be printing more money. That means that while we've been dropping rates, what's going to be happening to rates in the future? Inflation is a direct result of money printing and the money supply. So when we increase by 40 or 60 billion dollars, we saw how that had an impact in 2020. And so what's that going to do? Is this rate dropping only for a short period of time? Is this a little window that we've got right now? And so when I personally think that this is a window, and I think that this is an opportunity for people to do two things. One, people who have a little bit of debt and still have values in their properties, this is a great time to get your financial house in order and clean everything up, consolidate everything, and kind of get ready to weather the storm, okay? Lock in those low interest rates for the next little bit of time so that you are very crystal clear about what your monthly payments are going to be going forward. And then for those who have equity and who have money, they always say the rich get richer. So for those people, making sure that you have the correct credit facilities all in order. Maybe it's an opportunity to increase those credit facilities. Maybe it's an opportunity to help the next generation. There are a lot of different options that are out there. Rates have not moved in the last little bit, so this is a great time to really look at things. The Bank of Canada has dropped, but that's still higher than fixed rates. Fixed rates are still lower. I anticipate that gap will close, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But right now, fixed rates are lower than variable rates. And for some people, that's still a better option. So as you can see, I can go on quite some time talking about this sort of stuff. I follow the politics, and what happens in politics has a direct impact on the economy, has a direct impact on central banks, and has an impact on our mortgage rates. So with that being said, have yourselves a great week. If you have any questions, concerns, please contact me. I am more than happy to take this macro conversation and bring it to a micro and customize it to take care of your needs. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week.